Do you want to know how you can use the text-to-speech function on ChatGPT? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how exactly can you use the text-to-speech function on ChatGPT. Go ahead and open ChatGPT on your Chrome OS browser. Then what you need to do is log into your account. Now, let me show you by clicking on one of these and it will give me the answer. So after the answer is complete, you can see that it is asking me which programming language are you interested in focusing on the game project. So you can go ahead and write down which you are interested in and you can see some of the answers it has given. So to now run it in speech, what you can do is click on read aloud, which is over here. So after you click it, you can see that it will start to speak to you. So in order for you to not read this and listen to this, what you can do is click on read aloud. This will start the text-to-speech function, which is enabled in ChatGPT. I hope this video about how you can access the text-to-speech function on ChatGPT was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.